Deleting a page in Confluence is simple and helps keep your workspace organized by removing outdated or unnecessary content. Here's a step-by-step guide. Navigate to the page. First, go to the Confluence page you want to delete. Ensure you have the necessary permissions, as only users with delete rights can remove pages. Open the More Actions menu. Click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the page. This will open the More Actions drop-down menu. Select Delete. In the drop-down menu, find and select the Delete option. Confluence will then prompt you to confirm the deletion, as this action is permanent and will also delete any nested pages under it. Confirm deletion. Click Delete in the confirmation window. This will remove the page along with any sub-pages linked to it. Undo if needed. If you delete a page accidentally, Confluence offers an undo option for a limited time. You can also reach out to a space admin, as deleted pages might still be recoverable from Confluence's page history.